Welcome to another video from SkyRadar. Today we are going to compare the MTD and Kalman filter based on data from measurements performed with our radar. On the screen you can see the PPI of the MTD block, and here below we can see the PPI connected to the Kalman filter. Here on the left we can see the data coming from the radar, and here on the right we can see the PPI connected to the Clutter Map. The purpose of this video is a comparison between the MTD and Kalman filter result. Kalman filter and MTD are actually two different techniques used in signal processing. Kalman filter is a mathematical algorithm used to estimate states of a system when measurements are uncertain and noisy, just as we can see here. On the other hand, the MTD is a signal processing technique used to detect moving objects in radar signals. Kalman filter is a relatively complex algorithm that involves solving a system of equations. It requires knowledge of the system dynamics and measurement uncertainties, as well as a model of noise in the measurement. MTD, on the other hand, is a much simpler algorithm that involves detecting changes in the amplitude and phase of the received signal. Kalman filter is a powerful algorithm that can provide accurate estimates on the state of each system, even though if there is noise, presence and uncertainty. MTD, on the other hand, is a simple algorithm that is more susceptible to noise and false detections. We might improve the performance of MTD by introducing a CFAR block in the chain. However, this would be a subject of another video. MTD is suitable for detecting targets with constant speed, but it may not be very effective for detecting targets with variable speeds. On the other hand, we have the Kalman filter, which is particularly useful for tracking targets with variable speeds and with totally unpredictable movements. There are actually some radar applications where we can use Kalman filter in conjunction with the MTD. The MTD will be used to detect the targets, and then we will use the Kalman filter to estimate the state of the target and track it over time. This combination of these two blocks will provide at the end a more robust and accurate target tracking system. But this is just a note on the side, because here we are trying to compare them separately. So now if we have just a brief look at our measurement, we can see that both this algorithm deliver quite accurate data. However, we can see visually that the Kalman filter results on the PPI seems to be a little bit more clear. Now, as we explained on the theory, one reason for that is related to the noisy environment where we are performing our measurement. On the other side, we can see that as we went through the theory, that the speed with which the target moves, if that is changing a lot, it might be more beneficial to use the Kalman filter instead of the MTD. We can see that, for example, in this area where our speed is slightly varying, and the Kalman filter can track better accuracy compared to the MTD. So that will be all for this short video when we try to compare in a theoretical approach and also based on real data measurement, the performance between MTD and Kalman filter. Stay tuned for more videos from SkyRadar and make sure to have constant view in our blog. Thank you and see you on the next video.